Hello, everybody. Hi, I am Jewel, and welcome. Welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Your health is great, your families are doing terrific, and of course, that you have everything that you need. Right now, we're going to talk about Thanksgiving. As you know, many of us at this time, right before Thanksgiving, travel to family and friends, and spend a few days with them, and then travel home. But this year is totally different, guys, because of COVID-19. More than 1 million COVID-19 cases were reported in the United States over the last 7 days. As cases continue to increase rapidly across the United States, the safest way to celebrate Thanksgiving is to celebrate at home with people you live with. Gatherings with family and friends who do not live with you can increase the chances of getting or spreading COVID-19 or the flu. As you know, the CDC is recommending for all of us to stay in place this Thanksgiving because of the spread of COVID-19 that has taken a dangerous spike all over our country. So they are recommending some tips to all of us of what we should do this Thanksgiving to keep ourselves safe. So let's start, guys. If you do travel, which they would prefer that you didn't, check travel restrictions before you go. Get your flu shot before you travel. Always wear a mask in public settings, when using public transportation, and when around people who do not live with you. Stay at least 6 feet apart from anyone who does not live with you. Wash your hands often or use hand sanitizer. Avoid touching your mask, eyes, nose, or mouth. Bring extra supplies such as masks and hand sanitizer, and know when to delay your travel, which means if the place you're going has had a really increased spike in COVID-19, the CDC suggests that you do not travel to those places. Everyone can make Thanksgiving safer by wearing a mask. Wear a mask with 2 or more layers to help protect yourself and others from COVID-19. Wear the mask over your nose and mouth and secure it under your chin. Make sure the mask fits snugly against the side of your face. Stay at least 6 feet away from others who do not live with you. Remember that people without symptoms may be able to spread COVID-19 or the flu. Keep 6 feet, 2 arm lengths from others is especially important for people who are at a higher risk of getting sick. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Keep hand sanitizer with you to use when you are unable to wash your hands. Use sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol. Attending a gathering. Celebrating virtually or with people you live with is the safest choice for this Thanksgiving. If you choose to attend a gathering, make your celebration safer. In addition to following the steps that everyone can take to make Thanksgiving safer, take these additional steps if attending a Thanksgiving gathering. Bring your own food, drinks, plates, cups, and utensils. Wear a mask and safely store your mask while eating and drinking. Avoid going to and out of areas where food is being prepared or handled, such as in the kitchen. Use single-use options like salad dressing and condiment packs, and disposable items like food containers, plates, and utensils. If you are hosting a Thanksgiving gathering, celebrate virtually or with people you live with is the safest choice for Thanksgiving. If having guests to your home, be sure that people follow the steps that everyone can take to make Thanksgiving safer. These steps include: have a small outdoor meal with family and friends who live in your community. Limit the number of guests. Have conversations with guests ahead of time to set expectations for celebrating together. Clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces and items between use. If celebrating indoors, bring in fresh air by opening windows and doors. If possible, you can use a window fan in one of the open windows to blow air out of the window. This will pull fresh air in through the other open windows. Limit the number of people in food preparation areas. Have guests bring their own food and drink. If sharing food, have one person serve food and use single option items like plastic utensils. Guys, these are all these steps that the CDC recommends for all of us to take during this Thanksgiving. It seems like a lot of trouble, guys, and it really, really is. But from their research, this is the best way to keep all of us safe, during this pandemic, which has been raging right this moment through all of the states in the United States right now. So for all of us that are celebrating Thanksgiving with other people, that are not people you live with, these tips can help keep you all safe, from getting, COVID-19 or the flu. And for all of us, these are very good things to practice because, like I said in the last video, there is a vaccine coming, very, very shortly for all of us. But in the meantime, this is a very, very dangerous time for the whole country and apparently for all those countries all over the world. So what we have to do is make sure that we follow guidelines, guys, to keep ourselves safe, from this COVID-19 and this time and this Thanksgiving year. Hopefully next year will be a totally different type of energy, but for right now, these are the recommendations that the CDC is giving all of us to keep ourselves safe, our families safe, and of course our friends and our loved ones which are of a certain age. And of course, the best way to do that, of course, is to wear a mask at all times, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'm sending all of you so much love, so much affection, and to let you know that you are not alone in this journey. For those of us that, don't have family or friends around, I know it's going to be very, very difficult, but you can do this, guys. Hopefully this is the last, this is the last holiday, and Christmas of this year that we have to spend alone without our family and friends. And we can do this, guys, all of us, just by knowing that we are together, maybe apart, but together. And of course, there's always virtual, getting together with family and friends, to, have your family, get together with other families in other areas and do it virtually and eat together. And all of those things are a part of this holiday season for this year. So guys, take care of yourselves. I love you. I will see all of you on the next video. Bye.